Hey guys, it's Rowan Garwin here. I'm going to do a hair tutorial today on bleaching. I'm going to bleach my own hair from this very natural base shade of a 6 to a 7, and we're going to get it to a pale opal color. I'm going to be using Joico bleach and Shade ZQ, which I'm super excited about. I love Shade ZQ. So fingers crossed I'm not going to absolutely scream and cry. I'm doing it for the art. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I've got my bleach on, as you can see, thorough. If you're a guy, it's really important, try not to go too far down on your sideburns, because this would have a lot of red when you bleach it. But with your peroxide and bleach ratio, you should do 1 part bleach powder to 2 parts peroxide, and 20 vol is only allowed on your scalp, or should be. Of course, if you want to be really dangerous and you got black hair, you could do 40. That's what I used to do back in the day, but I don't recommend it. So I'm just going to put a bag on it, leave it for an hour, and then we'll tone it. So fingers crossed. Okay, so my hair has been developing for about 45 minutes, maybe 50 even, 50 minutes. So as you can see, if you just scrape with your finger a little bit and see what kind of color it is, it's practically translucent. So it's ready. My scalp is a little bit sore, but it looks like I'm going to be blonde, so let's wash it off and I'll report back. Okay, so this is the result. It's a really pale yellow, as you can see. So it's pretty exciting. So now I'm going to be putting my Shade ZQ, and I'm doing T9. T9? Let me just check. We are going to be using, no, 09P. What am I on about? So 09P. Equal measurements. God, this bleach has gone to my brain. I can't even think. With the developer, we're gonna mix it and we're gonna slap it on. So fingers crossed. So this is the result. This is the next day because I just wanted the lighting to be better, but toner worked really well. I am stoked with it. I love it. So if you need any tips or anything like that about bleaching your hair, then just contact me. And don't forget to subscribe.